all about the snowy owl. When you see a snowy owl, it's clear how the bird probably got its name. They are snow white. Snowy owls are mostly white with narrow, sparse brown bars and spots. Their golden colored eyes are rather small for an owl, and their toes and claws are thickly covered with feathers. Their dark color bills are short, strong, and sharply pointed. They are among the largest North American owl species. The snowy owl mainly lives in the open, treeless areas called the Arctic tundra. In the winter, they can be found in the northern United States and Canada. Unlike most other owl species, snowy owls hunt mainly in the daytime. Snowy owls perch on the ground or on short posts when they patiently watch for prey. Their favorite target is lemmings. It's a small mouse-like rodent, but they also hunt for other small rodents like rabbits, birds, and fish. An adult snowy owl may eat around 3 to 5 lemmings each day. That is 1,600 per year. That is a lot of lemmings. Snowy owls have excellent eyesight to hunt for food. However, they cannot always see what they are hunting because their prey is under several feet of snow or thick layers of plants. To capture those meals, the owls rely on their other keen sense, which is, yes, hearing. In flight, snowy owls generally cruise low to the ground. Once they spot their prey, they approach it from the air and snatch it up using their large, sharp talons. Snowy owls are highly nomadic, and their movements are tied to the amount of food there is. So, nomadic means they move from place to place. These snowy owls build their nests on the ground because there usually aren't any trees. They're known to aggressively defend their nests and will attack those that disturb it. Snowy owl pairs usually mate for life. Female snowy owls lay from 3 to 11 eggs at a time in their nests built on the ground. When there is plenty of food available, snowy owls tend to lay more eggs than when food is scarce. Sometimes, when there is not enough food to feed the baby owls, the adult pair won't lay any eggs at all until the food supply improves. That is smart thinking. The female snowy owl sits on her eggs until they hatch, which is around 32 days. The male owl will feed the female owl while she keeps their eggs warm and safe. After about a month, the eggs hatch. The young leave the nest less than a month after they hatch. By the time they're about a month and a half old, the young owls can fly well, but their parents will take care of them for another 10 weeks or more. That's all there is right now about snowy owls. I hope you enjoyed.